So ozone is a chemical, a gaseous chemical found in the atmosphere. Ozone, it is created by three oxygens bonded like a V. Ozone has two types of it, good ozone and bad ozone. Good ozone is found in the stratosphere as a form of the ozone layer, which is what we use to protect the earth from UV rays from the sun. And bad ozone is found in the troposphere. And it's called bad ozone because it kills plants and can have really bad health risk for both animals and humans. Good ozone is created when you have O2, and then the UV rays break it down to two singular oxygens. Then that singular oxygen bonds with the O2 molecule and creates ozone. Bad ozone has two types of it. Has normal ozone, and it has photochemical oxidants, which is ozone combined with bugs. So bad ozone normally itself is when you get a chemical like nitrogen oxide or nitrogen dioxide. It breaks the UV rays from the sun. It breaks the nitrogen dioxide to nitrogen oxide and leaves a singular oxygen in the atmosphere. That oxygen bonds with the O2 and then creates ozone. Then the other bad ozone is when you have NO2, the same process, it breaks down, and then you have nitrogen oxide plus the singular oxygen, and then the oxygen bonds with the O2 molecule, creates ozone. But then the nitrogen oxide bonds with bugs, which is like molecular pollution chemicals in the atmosphere, which then creates photochemical oxidants, then which create photochemical smog. Like we were talking about, ozone has both good and bad. An example of good ozone will be like here. Over a millennia, concentration of ozone has increased in the atmosphere, in the stratosphere, and now the protective shield has been created. Stratosphere. Stratosphere is the second layer of this atmosphere, and that's where we found ozone. All of these are good ozone because they're in the stratosphere. Like in here it says ozone layer, stratosphere. Stratospheric ozone, stratosphere. In here it's talking about the ozone depletion. Ozone depletion is meaning chemicals like CFCs kill ozone, and then they make a hole in the ozone layer, which is in the stratospheric layer of the atmosphere, right? Stratospheric good ozone. Overall, any time you see like ozone layer or ozone depletion, it's talking about good ozone. Or stratosphere, good ozone. Bad ozone will be tropospheric ozone because it's creating bad health risk for plants and humans and animals. So in here, tropospheric ozone is produced when gases give off from burning fossil fuels, right? Tropospheric, bad ozone. It creates health risks for humans, animals, and kills plants. Like all of this is pretty much talking about tropospheric ozone. In here, it's give us like hints, like little hints, like helicopters, balloons. Like that's only being able to be used in the tropospheric layer, which kind of like do tropospheric ozone. Overall, bad ozone it's created in the tropospheric layer. Thank you for your time, and I will see you.